Artificial intelligence, AI, offers some of the highest paying jobs in the software industry. Only individuals who possess high interdisciplinary skills and talent can take on these jobs of the future. AI finds itself at the cross-section of mathematics, linear algebra, statistics, problem solving, programming, and many more. Over the last decade, AI has gradually matured, which led to the formation of specialized job roles. Enterprise-scale companies follow a defined AI job nomenclature of their own. However, startups or small-scale software businesses prefer overlapping job roles due to limited resources. For an AI enthusiast, knowing all your options is vital for career success. Let's discuss some of the major AI career paths. AI engineer is the most generalized AI job title, with wide-ranging job requirements. It requires an all-around individual who can deliver whatever AI task is assigned by the executives. An AI expert must be well-versed in predictive and statistical modeling. The job also demands extensive AI research to develop POCs, proof of concept, and prototypes, as well as transforming POCs to production. Keeping up with the latest AI trends is also vital for an AI engineer's career. Model development, deployment, testing, and maintenance are all part of an AI engineer's job description. The AI practitioner is expected to manage any application that involves some AI. Data scientist is a specialized job role as compared to an AI engineer. A data scientist must be knowledgeable about the statistical techniques for handling complex data and preparing predictive models. It requires having a sound understanding of machine learning and deep learning, data wrangling, feature extraction, model optimization, and model tuning, etc., are some of the critical skills a data scientist must possess. It is a result-oriented job role. The data scientist must be able to visualize the results and prepare reports to present them in front of the stakeholders. This also requires having good communication and soft skills. A data scientist is a combination of various job roles mentioned below. Technically, ML engineer and DL engineer are separate job roles with the same differences as machine learning and deep learning. But in reality, both job roles are overlapping with the primary purpose of building predictive models. ML or DL engineer is considered as the core AI job. This is where all the fun and adventure occur. Strong programming is a must-needed skill for this career path. Skills in Python, R, and sometimes Java is required depending on the requirements. Implementing ML models based on the latest ML/DL research is also part of the job description. As the name suggests, a data analyst analyzes and explores the data, primarily numeric. The core responsibility of a data analyst is to derive insights from different datasets. Initially, this job role was only limited to the use of SQL. But the predictive capabilities of AI and ML have further expanded the job requirements. Analysts must be knowledgeable of programming languages like Python and R to use various data analysis libraries as well. A data analyst must possess extensive data mining and data warehousing skills to support decision-making. Most of the time, data analysts are found dabbling with various ETL tools. Data engineers specialize in preparing complex datasets to be processed by data pipelines and complex AI architectures. They are involved in data acquisition from different sources and maintaining databases. They possess advanced programming knowledge. A data engineer must be a good data analyst as well. They iteratively develop, test, and maintain statistical models and architectures to improve the quality of datasets to achieve better results. Plus, they are paid more than data analysts. An NLP engineer is a specialized deep learning job role. NLP engineers develop NLP systems. These are computer systems that understand human language. They are responsible for acquiring or finding the correct dataset for an NLP task. Aside from developing complex NLP models, NLP engineers must have a sound knowledge of existing NLP models like BERT and GPT-3, etc. They should know how to apply suitable models for the right job. NLP engineers are experienced professionals. An NLP engineer must be well versed with most of the previous job roles requirements. Similar to NLP expert, a computer vision expert is an experienced job role. CV experts deal with image datasets and develop AI applications that extensively involve images and videos. Optical character recognition, OCR, machine inspection, medical imaging, surveillance, biometric and fingerprint recognition, traffic safety, and motion capture are some applications a CV expert works on. Most CV expert job requirements include a master's or PhD degree in computer vision, or related fields. MLOps Engineer is one of the latest job roles in the AI ecosystem. It combines ML engineering and operations and promotes an end-to-end AI application building process. In some ways, it is similar to DevOps but for machine learning. MLOps Engineer acts as a bridge between the development and deployment of ML models. It ensures continuous integration and continuous delivery, C/CD, for AI applications. The monitoring and testing of data, schemas, and code required to build AI applications are streamlined. It requires knowledge of tools like Circle-C, Docker, Kubeflow, Optuna, and various cloud ML service providers. Just as doctors specialize in treating different body organs or expert chefs cook niche cuisines, AI has started to entangle the intersecting AI career paths. But there are no de facto standards when it comes to AI job naming conventions. With continuous AI advancements, more specialties will be discovered in the future. There are many other job roles in AI like data annotation expert, data visualization expert, big data engineer, and AI research scientist, etc. If you are an aspiring AI engineer or researcher, it is essential to understand what you are good at. One might be good at analyzing large-scale datasets or finding meaningful patterns in the data. But building robust machine learning models or deploying them on production might prove to be your Achilles heel. It's okay to not know everything in this field. You can remain valuable and profitable within your niche.